How to create a journal to sell on Amazon KDP for free 2023 tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I bring you back with a very easy step-by-step tutorial. And in the step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create an Amazon KDP in the easiest, most simplest way possible, but with a twist. We're going to be creating a journal totally for free and selling it on Amazon KDP. Now you're probably wondering, how are you going to be doing that totally for free? Because Amazon KDP is a place where you're going to sell, actual digitalized things that might take a lot of money to make. No, don't worry. It's going to be absolutely free. And we know that when it comes to Kindle Direct Publishing, when you upload some book over there or some digitalized, PDF over there, it gets a lot of views and it gets a lot of money. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing and aiming for this video. So to start things off, let me tell you about the program that we're going to be making a journal on. It's called Canva. Now, I know that you all are very fond of Canva and you all have definitely used Canva because Canva is a totally free software, and in the software, the amount of features you get for a free software is absolutely out of this world. So, you can write anything when it comes to, designing in Canva, and Canva basically allows you to go to the full length when it comes to adding design and features into your, art or your creation. So in our case, what we are going to be doing is over here, we're going to go ahead and you can obviously go in and write journal over here. And once you write journal, there's a lot of things that you can go with, or you can just come here, click on create a design, and you can write journal over here. And once you write journal over here, as you can see, you can start getting journal templates. So we're going to click over here, and that will open up a, blank free journal template for us, which is pretty cool. Now, once the journal template is open for us, from here on out, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and we're going to be actually creating some nice things for ourselves. Now, when I talk about creating nice things, I obviously mean creating a very top-rated journal. Now, let me show you what a top-rated journal would actually look like, okay? So first of all, when it comes to creating journals, you're going to actually want to publish things, right? So you're going to go into publish, and here it's going to say publish with us with Kindle Direct. It's simple to publish. So obviously you're going to go ahead to join KDP with your email and things. And once you enter your emails and all these relevant things, from there on out, Kindle is going to give you 3 to 4 options, either a Kindle ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, or a series page. Now, I would recommend going with a paperback. A paperback would be much better in our journal's case. So yeah, I would recommend going with a paperback. And once you go with a paperback, we're going to come back to our Canva over here. And you can, to be honest, also, if we go to Amazon.com and we go into the book section over there and we search in some journals. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and search a journal. Now, once you search for a journal, as you can see, you get tons and tons of different journals. And these are all obviously on your KDP. These were uploaded on your KDP. And you can see they look pretty cool and they go up for a lot of prices, and a lot of people have bought them too. So as you can see, these are $16 journals and 95 people have bought them, which is pretty incredible. And then obviously, as you go up, you get more ratings and you get more journals with better prices and all. So it's pretty nice and pretty incredible stuff, to be honest. So once you get the idea of this, let me also tell you that a very common trim size needs to be kept when it comes to creating a journal for Amazon KDP. Now, obviously, this design that you can see over here, this is 8.5 by 11, the, generic journal size, okay? But obviously, Amazon KDP does not follow the generic journal size. So for Amazon KDP, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go on custom size. You're going to switch this to inches, and we're going to go with 6 by 9 inches. And once you go by 6 by 9 inches, you're going to click on create new design and just do this. And trust me, like, I know this may sound weird on why, KDP has a different, you could say, framing, but I don't know myself. It's just on their website, and I can also show you by going on their print options. They just have a 6 by 9 size to work on. Now, when it comes to the actual editing of the journal, how are we supposed to make things? So, a very successful journal needs to have a lot of art, needs to have a lot of artistic design. So, you can take inspiration from the templates that Canva provides you. So, if you come over here, write journal, you can get a lot of things, right? And there's different templates that you can go for. There's different templates. There's even styles that you can go with if you want to be honest. So you can see a lot of fun things over here, right? Now, obviously you can make one solely from yourself, but that could take a lot of time for you. Let's make one in like, let's say 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm gonna add this. We've added this, and obviously you are gonna have to make sure to increase the size as so. And look at that, daily journal. So that looks pretty good, right? And we're gonna make sure to add some designs behind it. So we can see a butterfly. Let's add some, let's add some textures. Let's add some, graphics behind it, if you know what I mean. I'm going to go on position. I'm going to go to back. Once you go to back, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do this. Yeah. And then you're going to go into the opacity, tune down the opacity so that, it's in the background and, it's not too overpowering. Wait, I'm going to tune it down a little more. Yeah, there we go. And then you can add different textures for yourself as well if you want to. That totally depends on whatever kind of design you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to go with this, add that. Once you add that, I'm going to make that white. Okay. And once you do that, obviously you're probably wondering, what the hell is this guy doing? Trust me, I'm going to make sense of this in just a second. So once we do this, you're going to click on it. You're going to position it. You're going to take it fully to the back. And now, again, we're going to do that. And as you can see, it gives a very aesthetic vibe to our journal. And you can obviously add different fonts if you want to, like daily journal 2026 or something like that, 2026, etc. So once you do this, then comes adding your pages. Then there's pages that you can add, and to add pages, obviously there needs to be lines. Okay, people obviously need lines to write in their journal, so we're gonna make sure to keep it in the borders. So I'm just gonna make sure that the angle is good. Yes, the angle is perfect. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, copy the line, paste it, paste it. So as you can see, this is how you're gonna tidy up your journal by adding lines. And again, to tidy the lines up, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna hold these. You're gonna go ahead into position. You're gonna click on tidy up, and it's gonna basically algorithmize these lines as so. And then obviously your journal writing page is complete. And then you can obviously just add small designs beside it. So let's say I'm gonna go into graphics and add these small designs in the background if you want to. Wait, you know what? Let's add a design that we can actually change color for. Let's add this because we are going with that butterfly vibe. So let's just go ahead and add this in the background. So it doesn't seem empty. I don't want our design to seem empty. I want it to seem full. So first of all, send it to the back and transparency. Mess around with that, and there we go. And obviously you can add more designs on top of it if you want to. Let's say I'm gonna go with some things like tape, and tape is just a pretty fun thing to add. Let me show you why. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna bring it here, rotate it as so, and just add it over here. So a tape will just give it a fun little design, and then you're gonna duplicate this page, to as many pages as your journal wants. And as you can see, we just created our journal. And then finally, you're going to click on share. And once you click on share, you're going to click on download, choose the standard file you want to go with. So let's say I want to go with PDF standard. Once you've gone with this, click on download and you are good to go. That is how you're going to make your journal for Amazon KDP. And yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.